Are you struggling to make any money with internet marketing? Let alone the thousands of dollars you were promised. There are hundreds of different ways to make money online, but do you know what the easiest way is? Then you need to get access to this software. It's amazing. It shows you exactly how the so-called gurus are holding you back. And then gives you access to a done-for-you system that does most of the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to build squeeze pages, make gifts. You don't even have to write emails. They do it all for you. It's amazing. I know. It sounds crazy. Now you can spend a few minutes on traffic generation every morning. Then queue up your favorite Netflix show and binge watch to your heart's content. This is a completely done-for-you list building and affiliate marketing system. All in one. To your success, Nick and Debbie Anderson.